So hi everyone, this is Saint Zaidi, and I'm going to be walking you through first overview of NetSuite and then some of the specialized features that we have added for appliance industry. So right now I'm logged into NetSuite. I am logged in as a CFO. There's a lot of things that you see on the homepage here. We call this a dashboard. So every role gets its own dashboard. As a CFO, I'm able to see my reminders. Down here, I have my executive financials, some of my, reports that I would use day to day are up at the top. And then under executive financial, I have my numbers. I can drill down in any of these. This is all drillable. And then my KPIs, my revenue by period, my monthly sale trends, my business trends, customers by year-to-date sales, vendor balances, new customers versus existing customers. So all the information that you need to make an informed decision and operate your business as efficiently as possible is at your fingertips. Most of the managers would spend time on their dashboard early in the day and during the day, just because they can get the business insights right from the dashboard and they don't have to drill into other reports. So that comes in very handy.